Do you plan to buy a hand blender? Are you looking for the best one for yourself? You might be feeling confused and overwhelmed by various brands and models on the market. Don't miss this video. We list the most popular and top-rated products on the market today, based on countless research and customer ratings. We also present the key features and benefits of each in the review, all aimed to provide you the selection of the best products and help you to make your decisions faster and easier. All the links about these products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. The affordable and likable Muller Austria Ultra Stick 500 doesn't disappoint on value, features, or performance. The Muller Ultra Stick 500 can be used to make delicious treats. It can also be used for chopping and making cocktails and much more. It designed and engineered to outlast and outperform the competition. Comfortable and easy to use, makes all your mixing and blending tasks easier than ever. It is one countertop appliance with limitless options and versatility. The blending arm reaches perfectly into deeper pots. Let you blend, puree, and crush with ease. 9 speeds provide control for food, such as smoothies, soups, or baby food. The blending arm and whisk twist off for quick and easy cleanup. The KitchenAid KHB2351 is a real winner when it comes to sheer specs for the super low price. The 3-speed hand blender lets you blend, crush, chop, puree and whisk. Simply choose the appropriate speed for your ingredients. The chopper attachment is great for processing harder cheeses, nuts and creating graham cracker crusts. The removable 8-inch blending arm locks into the motor body for easy operation when blending in deeper pots. And the soft grip handle offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. The 3-cup BPA-free blending jar with lid is convenient for individual blending jobs, to serve or store for later. The Bella 14460 is a really capable hand blender for those on a budget. With its powerful 250 watts and versatile blending and mixing attachments, this blender is the true do-it-all kitchen preparation tool. Replace those larger and clunkier blenders and mixers with this sleek little hand blender. Small enough to store in a drawer while packing enough punch to tackle any prep job you throw at it. Make soups, smoothies, meringues, mayo, chutney, salsa and batters for baking. Braun MQ505 has a strong reputation for quality, and it's easy to see why. The Braun MQ505 multi-quick hand blender makes cooking faster, simpler and smoother. It features a power bell system that lets you blend ingredients in a flash, virtually eliminating splashing and saving you precious time. With 350 watts of power at your fingertips delivered by a precision, German-engineered motor, you can now easily blend, puree, or whisk your favorite foods. The high-precision, German-engineered motor is evenly balanced for power and long-lasting durability, while the easy-click buttons make changing modes a breeze. Whether you need to chop, whisk, beat, mash or puree, there's a Braun attachment designed to do the job. Optional attachments sold separately give you the flexibility to expand your creative chops. If you're after the perfect blend of price, performance, and quality, there is no better option than the Cuisinart CSB75BC. This Cuisinart Smart Stick Hand Blender is designed to handle a variety of basic tasks. Elegant brushed chrome or a variety of bold colors houses a powerful motor, and the handy, stick design lets you blend in a pot, bowl, or pitcher. The specially designed blade is for mixing and stirring all kinds of foods, including salad dressings, powdered drink products, and sauces. It is ideal for combining dry ingredients and can be used to emulsify mayonnaise, too. With 2 speeds, you can handle all your food prep tasks on high or low. Operation is easy and cleanup is quick. That would be all for this video and thanks for watching. All the links about these products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.